Distance Learning, a social story about social distancing and the coronavirus. I love going to school and playing with my friends. My teachers love going to school and playing with my friends and me too. Right now, we can't go to school because we are keeping everyone healthy. There is a new sickness called the coronavirus. The coronavirus is a germ that spreads very quickly. The coronavirus germ likes to travel from person to person, making new people sick. When we stay at home, the coronavirus germs can't travel to new people and make them sick. I can stay healthy by washing my hands really well. I can help others stay healthy by catching my cough and sneeze in my elbow. I can also use a tissue, then wash my hands. If I feel sick, I can rest my body. My body is very good at fighting germs when I rest. Eating healthy food and getting lots of sleep helps me stay healthy. I want to see my friends and teachers, but I will stay at home so we are safe and healthy. I can play outside and wave to my neighbors. I can do lots of fun activities at home with my family. My teacher will send me work to do at home. I will try my best so I can keep my brain sharp. Staying home helps keep everyone safe and healthy until we can be together again.